darling, you look good today. Because you wear my sunglasses, that's
exactly.
why.
Those sunglasses are rad.
If you weren't wearing those, then you wouldn't be as hot, okay? That gave you like an extra 2 points. You're at least an 8 now. All right, moving on.
You know how insulting that is? I always thought I'm like 12. I'm just kidding.
You can't, what, 8 isn't good?
It's not.
See right here? Watch
Perfection.
this. 6. That's a 6. Now watch this.
Are you really like gonna put it on there and you're calling me a 6?
Okay, now that's a whole 8. See that? 2 points.
No, really, that's really downgrading.
I'm just joking.
It's not funny.
It is funny.
You're kind of like a 2, but with sunglasses, it's like solid 3. You know? How do you feel? How do you feel? Don't say that to a girl. Don't give her points unless it's 10. Okay?
Okay.
Keep.
Hey, let's go out drink Melton, woman.
Then shut up about the points.
Okay. Right here, a solid 9.5. You like that? That good?
Just stop talking about it.
Alright, let's go, man, because this shit's melted. As it begins to melt, it blends together in some... What are you doing behind me? What are you doing? Huh? You kind of weird sexual stuff. What are you doing?
I wasn't doing anything sexual.
It was weird. It was weird. It's freaking me out, but I don't want you to stop. Go ahead, keep doing it. Alright. Go ahead, do it. I don't know if I like it, but I don't want you to stop. Okay. Alright, moving on. Okay.
Exactly, girls.
That's true love right there.
Okay, go ahead. You know, girls, send us your texts and numbers with your pictures. We're gonna have a contest. A future wife for a wife of who? What's gonna be her position?
Okay, that's right. Send your pictures to Ino, and then she'll pick out the best one, okay?
I have very good taste in women.
Make sure this chick fine, okay?
Okay.
Don't bring me no garbage.
Do you like butts? Should she be like
I just want 2 legs, a head, and like, you know what I mean, 2 arms, okay? And that's optional.
That's really nice approach, you know, because I can find you different options with 2 legs, arms, and a head.
And guess what? No, because that's offensive to some people who might only have 1 arm or 1 leg. So whatever you got, let me know.
Discrimination.
Exactly.
Right.
So I'm not going to discriminate.
Ladies, it's gonna be tough. Because it's not me, it's him. What?
Hello?
What's wrong with you? No. Hey, stop feeding me my hair. Wait a second. Oh, wait. Gypsy with blonde hair.
Exactly.